I've got something I want to show you. You're going to be so excited about it.
What's that?
Just hold on and watch.
Now, why is that important?
Because I can walk without hurting.
And those are your crutches over there?
That's my crutches over there. I'm not throwing them away yet.
So how do you feel?
Well, with that, I feel wonderful. Just knowing that I am getting well from my knees.
And so what did we just talk about? Who's healing?
Oh, the Lord's doing it all. He's just using you.
What else have you experienced? You say so you came with knee problems and you'd fallen a lot. How's your balance been?
Well, now, I have not. Once in a while, I can feel a little bit of off balance when I get up, you know, or turn around or something. But I hadn't fell since, I guess, before I come in. Yeah, before I come in here, since I fell, I think, 4 days in a row.
So no falling since you started?
No, well, one time, and it's been several weeks ago, and I was sitting there fixing to get up and go to bed. And so I took my medication and turned off the TV, and next thing I knew, my son walked in the room, and he was already in the room, and he was talking to him, and I didn't know what he was talking about. Well, he heard a blunder and had come in there, and I had fell out of the floor and had crawled up to the couch and had pulled up to the couch. That's where he found me. And I didn't know anything, and that's the last time anything like that happened.
Good. So anything else? Have you decreased any medications or?
Well, I went to the doctor yesterday, and you're the only doctor that I know, okay? But I don't get them. He did not mention medication. He didn't mention any of the problems. He didn't mention anything.
So we're just going to do it whose way?
He's doing it his way instead of the Lord's way, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, right. So we're here. We're going to do the Lord's way. Well, great. Thank you. I'm so excited.